Hey guys, Ehrgeiz here. Welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Now, I have finally got my hands on a Nokia Lumia 1520. Now, I know you might be thinking, well, we've seen that before. You've had one for ages. And you're right, but I finally managed to get hold of the green version. Green! How awesome is that? So, here we have it. I'm going to take the thing out. You know this packaging by now. This is actually the old Nokia packaging, because things are a little bit different now, like with the, well, since the 930. So here you have it. I'm just going to open this thing up. So yeah, I managed to pick this thing up from Germany. It seems to be the only place that sells the international version of the 1520. So, we have geben Sie einfach unter www.maxstone.de/Lumia Ihren exklusiven Code ein und genießen Sie 6 Monate Maxstone im Paket. I don't know what that means yet, but, you know, I'll run translate or something like that. So let's just take this thing off, because this green is so cool. Oh man, I have literally been trying to get hold of this for ages. It's from Germany, but I picked it up on eBay, believe it or not. So there we have it. We have the I think that's a SIM tray there. It is indeed. SIM tray, micro SD expansion. Yeah, boy, look at that green, man. Look at that green. It is indeed the Hulk phone. Absolutely stunning. Now the other main reason, I mean, it might seem a little bit mad that I've picked this up over my current Lumia 1520, considering I have that phone, but I've had constant issues with my 1520. The touch on it is very unresponsive and a constant problem. So I decided to sell it and pick this up. There we have it. That's that off. I hate things being on it. It's got to be shown in all its glory. But yeah, so that is very nice. I do like it. It's the matte finish as well to this. Where's all these bits coming from? So yeah, there's going to be quite a lot of videos coming up over the coming months. There's going to be things to do with the Windows 10 preview and multiple other things I wanted to do with this phone, because it is just sheer awesome. So that's it. That's the 1520 in green. It's only the bloody international version with built-in wireless charging and 32 gig of internal storage. But there you have it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.